Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the podcast studio build. And we are now in the room. We've got this light shining up, and it's actually casting really well in here. So we've got some light inside the room to be able to go in there and tear this thing apart. So there's a couple of, there's a bench in there, and then it looks like some shelving in there. We're tearing all of that out. So that's what we're doing right now. If you guys want to follow along, follow this entire studio build, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think as we progress on this build. For now, let's get to work. There's an insane amount of mouse poop in here. There's a lot of dust in here. Probably should be wearing a mask. But since we're in that COVID era, I wanted my friends to see me with the mask on and think I went soft, started complying. We're gonna head up real quick, guys, to go get some paint samples to slap on that wall to kind of decide what we're going to do. We'll let you guys help us pick out which color you like. So let us know in the comments below which color you'd prefer to stare at while watching a podcast. Got my paint samples, heading back, sitting in the parking lot, and this guy will not stop staring at me. What a creep! So still working on getting this swept up, guys. Took a little break, wandered around, and check this out. I found the breaker box to the room. So we've been working in the darkness for a bit, but now we have light. It's terrible lighting, but it is much better than the halogen light I was using. Check this out though. So we're getting it all swept up, and at least for today, I want to get everything swept up, and then I've got some paint samples we went and grabbed, and I'm gonna put a little bit on this wall. This thing echoes in here so bad. This room has got it's got a lot of work. It's casting a terrible shadow. We'll move that light around. So as you can see, however they placed this cement here, they used board. So there's sort of this board look to this concrete. We're gonna put a little bit of paint on this and see how it turns out. So that's what I'm wanting to get done, is get my paint samples on here, get it pretty swept up in here. It's gonna need some sweeping a few times because it is super dirty. The floor has turned multiple shades lighter every time I brush it. There is a ton of dust and dirt in here. But look at this. I don't know what's going on right there. I don't know what's behind this door, but whatever that is right down there, something's creating a pile. We're gonna stick the vacuum in it and clean it up. And that might be weird, but you guys are gonna watch it. Here's color number 1, guys. Number 2. I'm not one to nitpick, but none of these colors actually match the samples that I was given. We might have to just let these dry for a period of time, or maybe it just looks completely different on concrete, but those are not the 3 colors I picked up.